So, congratulations, you got a job here at Appliance Factory Outlet. Now we're going to give you some basic tips on how to use a dolly and move an appliance properly. We're going to move a fridge, a range, a washer, and a dryer. Okay, there are right ways and there are wrong ways. I'm not going to show you the wrong ways because I have no desire to injure myself. Okay, you should not either. So let's concentrate on the proper ways to move these things. Okay, now we have a range. Okay, whether it be a backsplash range here or backsplash range here, doesn't really make a difference. We still want to lift it the same way to be careful and safe. Okay, what I like to do is I like to put the backsplash on my non-dominant hand, which is going to be my dominant hand is my right. How do you know what your dominant hand is? Which one do you write with? That is your dominant hand. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to slide your dolly under. Okay, get it flush. You don't want gap here, because if you have a gap and you pull this over, it's going to slide. Even if I have cushion here, it's not going to matter. It's going to damage the appliance. We do not want to damage the appliance. So what you do is you grab it, okay, and you want to, okay. The reason I don't want to use my dominant hand on the backsplash is because I'm going to have to use a little bit of pressure to hold this. Okay, now if I use my dominant hand, that is stronger, I can actually dent this. Okay, we don't want to do that. Okay, so I want to take one hand here, and run once again. Plant my foot, because if I don't plant my foot, I'm going to pull myself backwards, which is a whole lot of fun to watch, but it's not a lot of fun to be in. Okay, you want to grab it and you want to lean back into it and bring it to you. Okay, and then grab the dolly and step back out. Okay, now I have 2 points of contact. I want to make sure I have one hand on the appliance and one hand on my dolly. Okay, and then I can move this thing anywhere I want to move it to. Okay, set it down as the same way. Okay, I will take my non-dominant hand, okay, and then just slowly let it come down. Okay, it will sit. Now, if you can't lift it, you're going to want to get a second person. Okay, we have this gentleman here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it here, and I'm going to hold it here, and he is going to push when I say ready. Ready. He's going to push and lift it up, and I'm going to walk out from underneath, and then we're good to go. Okay. Now I can hold it this way, or you can hold it this way. It's whichever is most comfortable for you. Like I said again, you want to walk forward, you want to push forward. Like I said, push. If I'm walking backwards, I trip on something, I'm falling. And if I fall, this is going to land on me and I'm going to damage myself. And I don't want to do that. Okay? So it's always push forward. Now this, you always want to have 2 points of contact on the appliance, or 2 points of contact. 1 point of contact on the appliance, 1 point of contact on your dolly. Okay? No, you do not want to do this, and yes, you will see guys doing this. Okay? That's a no-no. You can't tell what's coming up. You can't tell what's going on behind you. There's a very good chance this is going to fall off there. Okay? So take your time, get it centered, and like everything else, the farther forward I go, the heavier it is. The farther back I go, the heavier it is. Find the balance point. And then basically I can use my palms and I can do anything I want with this. If I'm down here, I can't do anything. If I'm too far over, I can't do much of anything except fall. So find the balance point. This will take time. It's not going to be on your first or second move, but you will figure it out and it will become a whole lot easier. Case in point, I knew a guy who worked here, was 5'3", weighed maybe 105 pounds when he was soaking wet. He could move any appliance there was because he learned where the balance point was. Okay? So, and then like I said, when you set it down, try to go up slowly, get your foot planted, and let it come down, but use your weight against it to set it down. Don't just drop it, okay? And then to move it out, if your dolly won't come out easily, do a little uplift, use your toe, pull your dolly out from underneath it. That's all you have to do, okay? Thank you very much.